Hello guys, today we'll be doing the switch statement. So what does this switch statement do is that it will print out a statement that if our value match to its case, it will only works with an equal. It doesn't work like the for loop or the other loops that we have learned before, that the loop will work like for x is more than 1 or x is less than 5. It works that consists of many. If we print out the number 6, 7 for the case of x more than 5, it will still work. But for this one, it doesn't work as such, because this the switch statement, it will only work with an equal. So let's try it out first. So we'll try to make our input variable and x as the number 3 or 2. So let's try out our switch, then x, because that's the value that we want it to check. Let's go down. Now this one will case case 1. If we make x as the value of 1, what will it do? So see out, we'll just make something simple, 1. I think that should be enough. Okay, and then break. So what does this break do is that it will break the statement. The statement will, so after it printed out one of the case, so it will break it, and it will no longer perform a check truly with the other cases, because one of the case is already been executed. If we don't put the break, the output will be, it will print out all of the statement of the cases, such as case 1, case 2, case 3. It will print it out all of the statement for all of those, and we try to avoid it by using a break. So after, if we put as x is equal to 1, so after case 1 is executed, it detects it. So after it detects it, so it break it, so it will not go to case 2. And that's how it works. So what does the case 2 do is that see out 2, then break, and then last one. I think I'll have to. Alright, return 0. So if we put it as the number 2, it will print out this, because the value we wanted to check it out or to switch it is on case 2, which is here. This is the value. So x we here 2, this one it matches here, so it will print out the number, or pardon me, it will print out the statement 2. So let's try it out first. Oh, sorry. Okay, and there we go. It printed out the statement 2. Okay, now let's try 3. What happens? Because 3 is not here. Even so, 4, 5, or 6, other than 1 or 2, we just make the case, what if x is equal to 1, what if x is equal to 2. We don't put what if x is equal to 3 and so on. So what happens if x is 3? There are no cases for it. What does it do? It will print out nothing. Here we go. It doesn't do anything. So for the case of like this, which is the, if we don't do any case for the other number, so it will be something as default. Alright, So what does default do? So anything which is other than that value, which is for this example, which is 1, 2, if we make the case more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and anything other than the one that we have stated out as such here, it will print out the default statement. So let's try it out. See out. So on default, what does it do? So let's make it as something simple so that we can understand it as default nothing. Okay. Or we can put this as a other number. Okay. Okay, now, and that would be it. So let's try to print out for try it out for the x is equal to 3, or maybe perhaps we can put this as 5 because it's other than 1 and 2. Anything other than that, it will print out this. Let's try it out first. And here you go, default other number. So let's try to make sure that x is equal to 4, other number, default other number. So let's try if it's x is equal to 1. It will print out 1 for the case of 1. Okay, it works with other number too, like maybe we put as 11. So the case is this for this is 11, and this one maybe perhaps 24. Okay, so it will print out 1 because the case, the value match the case. It will print out 1. Same goes to 24. It will print out 2 over here, which is for this one. Okay guys, so I think that covers our switch statement. So I hope that all of you understand how does this switch statement works, which is it will only work with an equal case. It doesn't work like the other loop that we learned before. It works as x more than 1, and it will print out this. If x is less than 5, it will print out this. No, this doesn't work like that. It's only work as an equal if x is equal to 24. So which case, which is that mesh is 24, so it will print out at the case 24 for the statement. It will print out the statement at that case. So I hope you guys understand here everything here, and thank you. Goodbye.